Hi guys, this is Matthew again, and this is the first week of May 2026. Happy New Month to everyone. So here we're going to be trading the Volatility 75 1x on the new Deriv web interface, and as you can see, the design is different right here, and most of you are already used to this. For those who aren't used to this, this is a new Deriv upgraded web interface. So once you log into your trading account, you go to the left middle corner, you click on the four square bar so that you can bring this trade type down. So once you click on it, you click on touch no touch. We're going to be trading the volatility 75 1x. Then you go to the indicator right there, you go to momentum, you click on stochastic momentum index. So it's going to show right here. Then you go to the trade type here, you click on no touch, click on no touch, click on no touch. Then you set the durations to 2 minutes. You set the barrier offset to plus 7.98, plus 7.98. Enter the amount you want to stake, and we're going to be clicking on buy when the stochastic indicator line, that's the red and the white line, is sliding down. You can see it's already at the bottom right here. It has to be sliding down. It has to be, you can see it's already rebounding, so let's wait for it to go a little bit up, then slide down so I can show you when to place your trade. You can see it's sliding up, so it has to be sliding right down before you click on buy. So once it's sliding down, I show you, just watch these two lines, that's the white and the red. That's to be, you can see they're sliding down, so wait for it to go right down a little bit, sliding back up. So you can see they both slide down right there, so you click on buy. So make sure they're sliding down before you click on buy. So let's wait for the outcome of that trade. So we have 1 minute 49 seconds there. So in the meantime, let's go to the MT5. We have some trades going right there. So this, we're using the buy sell indicator here, and we're still giving it away for free. It works on MT5 for Deriv and other Forex broker platforms that support MT5. You can use it to place your trades. Once it shows this, you click on buy. Once it shows this, you click on sell. You can see a sell signal right here. So we're giving it away for free, and for those who haven't purchased Tosca board as well and the Pips Power board. The Tosca board, to order it, visit toscapower.citywitetechnologies.com.ng. It's 9.99 USD. And the Pips board, to order the Pips board, visit binaryoptionsautotradingbots.citywitetechnologies.com.ng. 7.99 USD. We're giving away free gifts when you order any of our boards, and make sure you subscribe to our channel to watch all the strategies we'll be dropping. We'll be dropping 6 strategies this within 2 weeks. That's the month of May. Just subscribe to our channel to watch all the strategies we'll be dropping. And the infos there as well. For those who don't have a trading account, let's get back to the trade. So we have 35 seconds there. You can see the trade is winning right here. So for those who don't have a trading account, use this link to sign up for a free trading account. We're going to paste all these infos in the video description on YouTube. That's a link to sign up for a free trading account. And subscribe to all our channels. These are the links to subscribe to our channels. These are our channel links. And to get the buy sell indicator and to order any of our bots, the instructions and the links are right here in the video description on YouTube. Just check the video description on YouTube. So let's get back to the trade. So you can see we won that trade right there. We made 5.45. 5.45. So we're going to trade again. We're going to place one more trade. So it's sliding up. So you have to wait for them to be slide down to slide down. So you can see they're both sliding down right there. So I've placed that trade. Let's wait for the outcome of that trade. We have 44 seconds left right here. So you can see we make another 5.4 right here. So make sure you subscribe to our channels. We're going to drop some strategies across the channels this month. Subscribe to all the channels. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.